Log into a Google account and go to DFL.KTHCNC.se. Double-click the Google Sheets document to open the digital booking system. The document is read-only by default, but as you read through the 3 notices, you notice that you can request editing access by clicking on the Read-only button. You do not need to have any message, just send the request. I will be notified of the request and approve it at the earliest convenient opportunity. When your request has been approved, you must also make sure to refresh the page to make sure that your new editing rights are activated. Having been made an editor of the digital booking system, you are now free to book. Enter your name and contact email, and you have made a successful booking. Book only a maximum of 1 time slot in advance. When the beginning of your first time slot has passed, you are free to book a succeeding one. When you have entered your name and contact email and made a booking for a specific time slot, no other editor can overwrite your entry in that specific time slot. If you want to change your time slot, make sure to enter manually your name and contact email in the new time slot and then to delete with the delete key or the backspace key on your keyboard the previous slot, so that you delete the editor-specific protection for the time slot that you no longer want to book. Thank you for your time.